Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Discord is giving away 700 plus 200 orbs. How much is that? 1,600 orbs in total. Yes, you heard that right. There's a new quest called Painful. I'll show you how to do it on PC this time. Make sure to do this on time. Now claim the orbs. After that's done, go to Arc Raiders quest that give you 700 orbs, and after that Halloween quest that gives you 200 orbs. Some people might require to enable their VPN and change their location to the United States. If you want the quest links, just join my Discord server. After you have enough orbs, you can buy anything from Orbs shop. You can buy 3 days Nitro if you want, or even avatar and profile effect if you want. That's why I mentioned free Nitro in my thumbnail. But some people don't understand that in the comment section. Anyway, join my Discord server if you want server decors and layouts. And if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. I would like to give one last warning that if I find any hate and rude comment, you will be banned from commenting again, and even from my Discord servers.